Adobe Photoshop now includes two commands: select subject, remove background, and both are fully automatic. Simply choose the command and Photoshop does all the work. Open your any image in Photoshop. Now to fix that, simply convert the background layer into a standard pixel layer by clicking the lock icon. Photoshop renames the layer from the background to layer 0, and in the properties panel, a select subject button and a remove background button appear. Now you can just click on remove background button for the final result. Second step is using select subject is easy. Just click the select subject button, and after a few moments a selection outline appears. If I zoom in for a closer look at the initial section, we will see that select subject missed part of the woman's hair. I will choose the object selection tool from the toolbar. I can draw a freehand selection around the missing area. And now the selection is looking good. And just like the background disappears.